This is Ravi. He is 25 years old. He is a working professional. He earns good and pays tax every year. But Ravi remains very anxious during the month of March. He remains very confused about where to invest in order to save tax. So he contacted his tax consultant Nisha. Nisha asked him to save in ELSS schemes. Ravi asked her what is ELSS. Nisha told him about ELSS schemes in detail. ELSS full form is Equity Linked Savings Scheme. An ELSS is a diversified equity mutual fund. We get two benefits out of ELSS. Number 1 is market-linked benefits and number 2 is tax savings under Section 80C. ELSS has a lock-in period of 3 years. So once invested, an investor cannot withdraw funds from the ELSS before 3 years. Most ELSS has two options: growth. Growth benefits are accrued lump sum, and dividend. Growth benefits are given time to time in the form of the dividend. ELSS returns are tax-free. The maximum investment in ELSS can be Rs 1,50,000 per year under Section 80C. Ravi asked Nisha, is the ELSS only for young people or the working people? Nisha answered no. Both young people and aged persons can invest in ELSS. Young people should invest in the growth option while elderly people should invest in the dividend option. What are ELSS advantages? ELSS advantages are the following. Number 1. Low lock-in period as compared to PPF 15 years lock-in, NSC 6 years lock-in and tax-saving fixed deposits 5 years lock-in. Number 2. Investments are in equities, so much better returns expected in the longer term. Actually, the lock-in period gives equity investments time to grow. Number 3. Those who don't invest in equities directly, ELSS offers a perfect equity exposure for them. Ravi told, now I understood. For young people, ELSS is the best option to save tax as it will give equity exposure. Nisha finally advised him, start tax planning at the start of the year to choose the best ELSS mutual funds with proper research and to avoid any time pressure. You can also invest in ELSS regularly through SIP or systematic investment plan. SIP will average out the stock market conditions by rupee cost averaging. Ravi asked her, how to invest in ELSS? Nisha told him to go to any mutual fund advisor to get an ELSS. But this can incur commissions. So she asked him to invest in direct mutual funds. He advised him to visit Zerodha Coin website to invest in ELSS. Ravi finally got relieved and he thanked Nisha and started investing in ELSS schemes. This ends this video. If you liked it, do not forget to hit the like button and also share it with your friends and relatives. If you have any questions on the subject of ELSS, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.